Stress isn't usually a root cause of IBS, but it certainly doesn't help IBS because we evolved. Hi, this is Snow Bear. We evolved as humans to have, as mammals actually, to have a cortisol response to stress, which can help us have the adrenaline to escape a dangerous situation. And so we go into fight, flight, freeze. And when you're in fight, flight, freeze, you either poop it all out once or you do not poop. So you can escape the stress. The problem is modern day stresses in general tend to be more psychological, more financial, more relational, more as a result of crowding, noise, unless you're living in a war zone or something. So we do have stresses, and they do disrupt the natural elimination response. And if you have it day after day after day, and you're just under this constant level of stress, you're going to have chronic digestive problems. And that can lead to overgrowth of certain types of bacteria and organisms in the small and large intestine, which can exacerbate constipation, bloating, and diarrhea. So in order to get a handle of the stress, we need to go into rest and restore. And I have some breathwork videos